Hey everyone, my name is Chris Kelly. I'm excited to be hosting this After Effects series on Alex's channel. Also, check out my channel Production Crate for more advanced After Effects tutorials. We focus more on visual effects than motion graphics. After Effects is a powerful tool for both motion graphics and visual effects. Today I'm going to go through some of the basics for animating text and titles. Alright, let's create a new composition. 1920 by 1080, 24 frames per second should be fine for this. I'm going to select my text tool here and just type some text onto my composition. This will automatically create a new text layer. Now let's center it using the Align tool. If you don't see this, you can find it by going to Window, Align. After Effects can easily turn 2D layers into 3D, so that's what we're going to do. Check this box here, and now your text layer is a 3D layer. We can hit P to bring up the position properties and hit this stopwatch, which will create a keyframe. You only need 2 keyframes for an animation. After Effects will interpolate between them. Let's move ahead in the timeline and change the Z position of the text so it moves towards the camera and past. Alright, if we play this back, we can see we already have a moving title. Next, let's animate the opacity. That's going to change how visible the text element is. I'll set a keyframe for 100% opacity here, so full visibility. Now back on the first frame, let's set it to 0 so it fades in over time. Lastly, let's add some easing. Right now the speed from keyframe to keyframe position is just linear, so it doesn't change. If I want the speed to increase, I want an ease in setting. That's going to make it go from slower to faster over time. If I wanted it to slow down, I would want an ease out. That's going to be slowing towards the end of the animation. This can be done in After Effects by itself, but it's a lot easier with a third-party plugin called Ease and Wizz. This is a free script which you can find on aescripts.com, but we'll make sure to put a link to it in the description. It's really easy to install in your scripts folder. Just apply the ease in with any level of easing you prefer. Last but not least, to make this animation a little more realistic, let's add some motion blur. For motion blur, you need to enable it in your comp settings here and on your layer here. All right, let's play that back. All right, we are almost done. Let's just add an Ember screen burst, which you can find on Production Crate. We're gonna change the blending mode to screen. And for some sound, let's do a bass drop sound effect. You can find that on soundscrate.com. I'm gonna use a free one. And that's it. It's pretty simple, but it is an awesome text animation. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you wanna see more, let us know in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe to JustAlexHalford's channel to be notified anytime a new After Effects episode comes out. And make sure to check out my channel Production Crate where we have many other awesome tutorials. Alright, that's it everyone. I will see you guys next time.